Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do credit card refund in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a refund that went back onto your credit card, so your accounts stay accurate and your reconciliation is a breeze. First, open QuickBooks and sign into the correct company file. From the dashboard, move your mouse to the Create menu at the top left to open the full list of transactions you can make. This is where you'll find the option designed specifically for refunds that are credited back to your card. From that menu, click Credit Card Credit. This form tells QuickBooks that money is coming back onto a credit card, not into your bank account. It's different from a refund receipt or a vendor credit, and it's the right choice when a vendor reverses a charge or you return an item that was originally paid with your card. Start at the Payee field and choose the vendor who issued the refund. Using the correct payee helps keep your vendor history clean and makes reports like the vendor balance detail more useful. Next, select the bank/credit account. Pick the exact credit card account that received the refund. If you have multiple cards, take a second to confirm you're choosing the same card that was used for the original purchase. This ensures the credit shows up in the correct register and matches to the bank feed later. In the category column, choose the expense account you used when you first recorded the purchase. For example, if the original charge went to office supplies or travel, use that same category here. Matching the category is what reverses the original expense correctly. Add a clear description so you or your accountant can quickly understand the transaction later. Something like refund for returned items plus an original receipt number or date works well. Then enter the amount of the refund. If it's a partial refund, just enter the portion credited back to you. Keep the amount positive. QuickBooks will treat it as a credit automatically. Before you finish, give the form a quick review. Make sure the date reflects when the refund actually hit your card and that the payee, account, category, description, and amount are all correct. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. QuickBooks posts the credit to your card register, and when the refund appears in your bank feed, you'll be able to match it to this entry for a clean reconciliation. That's it. You've recorded a credit card refund in QuickBooks quickly and accurately.